In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Jira project. Whether you've completed the project or it's no longer relevant to your work, leaving a Jira project can help keep your dashboard uncluttered and organized. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, make sure you're starting from your Jira homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can view all the projects and tasks assigned to you. Once you're here, take a moment to locate the project you wish to leave. On your homepage, you'll see a list of projects. Find the specific project you no longer want to be part of. Clicking on this project will usually take you to a dedicated page or task board related to that project. Now that you've selected your project, direct your attention to the three dots, often referred to as More Options or the Kebab menu, located beside the project's name. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you'll want to look for and click on Project Settings. This will guide you to a more detailed page that hosts all the intricate settings and configurations associated with the project. When you're in the project settings, take a look in the upper right corner of your screen. You should see another set of three dots. Clicking on this will open an additional menu where more specific project actions are available. This is a crucial step, as it dictates what you'll decide to do with the project in Jira. Now, we've arrived at the point where you have a choice to either move the project to the trash or archive it. It's important to understand the difference between these two options. Archiving a project keeps it out of your active project list, but allows for the possibility of revisiting it or restoring it later. Moving a project to the trash, on the other hand, prepares it for permanent deletion, although you have the opportunity to recover it within a certain time frame before it's gone for good. And there you have it. Those are the steps you need to take to leave a Jira project. By managing your workspace strategically, you can keep your dashboard clean and focus on the projects that matter most to you right now. As always, make sure to confirm any action if you're managing sensitive information or collaborative projects, and consult with your team if necessary before making permanent changes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your Jira projects.